Unveiling the Secrets. Understanding, blow someone's cover. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in movies, novels, and everyday conversations. Blow someone's cover. It's a phrase that carries suspense, mystery, and sometimes, drama. Stick with us as we unravel the layers behind this expression, making it easier for you to understand and use it in your English conversations. Blow someone's cover is an idiomatic expression that originates from the world of espionage and undercover operations. To blow, in this context, means to reveal or expose something that was meant to be secret. The cover refers to the disguise or false identity that someone adopts, often for protective or secretive purposes. So, when you blow someone's cover, you are essentially exposing their true identity or purpose, which was meant to remain hidden. This phrase can be used in various contexts, not just in spy stories. Here are a few examples to help you understand its versatility. 1. In professional settings, imagine a situation where an employee is working undercover to assess customer service in a store. If a colleague unintentionally reveals the employee's real purpose to others, they have blown their cover. 2. In social scenarios, if a friend is trying to surprise another by pretending they cannot attend their birthday party, and you accidentally let slip that they're planning a surprise entrance, you've just blown their cover. 3. In serious situations, in witness protection scenarios, revealing someone's new identity or location would be a severe case of blowing their cover, potentially putting their life at risk. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase appropriately, as it can range from lighthearted to serious implications. Blowing someone's cover can have a wide range of consequences, from minor embarrassment to endangering lives. It highlights the importance of secrecy and trust in various situations. When someone's cover is blown, it can lead to loss of trust. The person whose cover was blown may feel betrayed by the reveal. Danger. In serious cases, such as undercover operations, lives could be put at risk. Failed missions or operations. In professional contexts, revealing someone's true intentions or identity might lead to the failure of an operation. Understanding these implications can help gauge the seriousness of the phrase when used in conversation or media. We hope this exploration of blow someone's cover has shed light on its meaning, usage, and the weight it can carry in different contexts. Whether you're watching a spy thriller, reading a detective novel, or engaging in a secret plan among friends, you now know the significance of keeping a cover intact. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and realities they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video adventure.